Do they need water?
Maybe that's it. Is it filming now? Yes. Actually, the first year we spent a fortune watering. And then this year I said, I think they can survive.
Yeah, really.
2 years.
We've had enough rain this year.
Yeah.
You could call them Terry things.
Yeah, there you go.
And we have one alligator over here. He's not in the water, he's actually on the bank.
There he goes.
Where's over here?
See it?
She can't hear you.
It's up on the far right, the bank. Like a, you see him in the corner over there.
Anybody spot it yet?
No.
Right there through the trees.
Yeah.
So go up a little further, you can see him actually a little bit better. You see the length of it.
Oh, okay. Keep it moving.
Where is it?
That's here.
And normally we have a big male that comes over here and stays. His name is Big Toe. He's actually Crazy's brother. And Crazy, of course, is the one on Pioneer Island that's the biggest. That's the dominant gator. The Big Toe is his brother, and he's actually a little bit bigger. But he don't normally come around here on the lake till sometime middle of or end of March, which is getting close a bit now.
Oh, yeah.
So if you get a chance before you leave the park today, be sure to look at our alligator in the glass case, closely Oscar. After he died, the scientists done a lot of work and study on him. They found that Oscar had actually been living on one functioning lung, a whole lot of broken bones, and of course osteoarthritis, osteoporosis. So if you look down his tail and spine, you'll see a lot of this. You know how much pain he must have been in around his feet and joints, how they were disintegrating.
I knew you were waiting for it. Yeah, I know.
No pun intended.
Sorry, I couldn't stop it.
Now, if you look on the outside of Oscar's face, like all alligators, they have tiny little holes. Those are sensors. That lets an alligator know when he feels the vibration in the water exactly which direction that it's coming from. Now, up here on our far right in the distance, you'll see a couple tall posts with eggs on the bottom and a barrel on top. That's the bat roosting house. Now, the Boy Scouts put that up for us out here, help to take care of some yellow flies and mosquitoes. Now, in the gift shop, the Board of Information will tell about the bats. They have one baby a year. They'll live 10 to 32 years. But the best part is that each bat can catch up to 1,200 insects every hour. So we're hoping they'll be eating a lot of the yellow flies that we have out here.
It's like the yellow fly. I don't either. I wonder if they're yellow. Maybe you can put it on
Instead of a dryer sheet, just have it on the string. I never did.
It's just mean, I never did.
Now we haven't had a lot of hornets out here this year. We actually have a hornet's nest that you can see by the track up here. So if you look up this tree on your left, you can see the hornet's nest.
Uh-oh. You dropped your throwaway.
It's right
You got it?
That's why they call it disposable.
I'm trying to dispose of my disposable.
We should have brought disposables on this trip.
I know, we should have. We'll do it next time.
We definitely need to do it.
Just take for a contest.
Yeah,
We'll just take our regular, but we'll take disposable.
Could be a
Everybody take
really
a disposable.
good competition prize.
Disposable?
Disposable competition.
Yeah.
How many
It'd be really
pictures
cool.
can you get on a disposable? 25?
27.
Oh my gosh.
boy.
Go rock at it.
Oh God, we did that when we were kids. Oh yeah. That's a big one. Slingshot.
Really?
A slingshot.
I got a couple here in my bag. With me, just in case.
That'd be but that would be.
I wonder if they revisit those. I mean, the lowrider. Now when spring comes, they all start flying up there.
I bet they're in there. Here. I bet they hibernate or whatever. You know?
Nothing about that squirrel's nest up there.
Don't want to be back in it for a while.
Alright, so we go through this section of pine trees. If you'll look down at the bottom on your left and right, you'll see cat faces cut out of the trees. This is what they used to do. Let sap run into metal pans or clay pots. Then it was taken to the turpentine still to be processed. On the left, some of the tools that was used in the turpentine still.
Oh, here we go. Now we see it.
Yeah, we were like a day behind back here.
I wonder if those turpentine girls in their swimsuits.
Yeah, it's the spirit of turpentine.
Yeah.
Ladies.
Yeah. Baby, baby, baby.
Look at that cat head.
Look at that cat head.
The head on that cat.
You no wonder they wore such sexy swimsuits. So that's dripping turpentine, huh? I always wondered where turpentine is. I don't know. How do they get it into the bottle?
So right here on the left, this is the old lady of the park. This is Henrietta. She's about 80 years old. She doesn't eat very well anymore. You see down her back and around her joints and stuff how skinny they are and her ribs showing. Now normally they'll live 80 to 100. But she's stubborn. She doesn't want to eat anymore. But she's also blind. She can't see to catch anything. She has to be hand fed. And she does not want to open her mouth. You can get her catch it open or tap her nose and make her open it. She'll get a little bit of food, but she just refuses to eat. She may be trying to die out. Normally they'll live 80 to 100. But sometimes she does get stuck on the track, so we have to pick her up and move her across. So we're hoping she'll start eating and get her health and self built back up. But if it's her time, I guess it'll be her time.
What's her name?
Henrietta.
Henriette. You know, that's bad when they can put a permanent sign up for you.
And up here on the left, we have one of the beehives. There's more in the
I'm
swamp
not looking
creation
forward
building.
to that day.
Yeah, really.
In the jars normally it's filled with sugar water, Carol syrup, B vitamins, and this helps the bees out when there's not a lot of stuff blooming.
Go to the light, Henrietta.
Now, there is people that come today, they go through about 2 gallons a day and let them start working on their own.
And look, there's the light show right there, Jay. He's kind of facing the light.
Maybe for alligators,
done, they
go
get
to
killed.
go to the little trash pile.
About that time to go find their own food.
Boots right there, buddy.
Let's see the blackbird. Little blackbird. Oh yeah. Oh, the bees.
You see the bees?
Oh God, they're flying out.
Oh,
Look at
Killer
that.
bees.
Oh my gosh.
No, they got their electric things
Oh,
down.
oh, that's
So yeah,
good.
they're good. They're in.
Good.
Shock collars for each one.
Michael can sting you to get rid of arthritis. Watch out for the spiders.
What train is that? Is that the actual one?
It's called the Grasshopper, Dad.
Stop over here on Pioneer Island and y'all get off and go through the cabins. First cabin will be the Highsmith cabin. It shows how they lived in 1900s. The middle building is the movie museum. They did make a lot of movies out here in the swamp. There's photographs of that and how the park used to look. Then once you got the back door, Wild Family Cabin, but under the soldier singing master tell you the story about the last massacre. Now our blacksmith Gabe's over here. He makes knives out of railroad spikes and tomahawks. So be sure to stop by and say hey to him and Ron. Now you'll have about 15 minutes. I'll blow the whistle when it's time to go. When you're done, you can come back to the train, the restrooms, or across the parking lot in the green roof building. Again, you'll have around 20 minutes. Watch for snakes or alligators laying around. Enjoy your time on Pioneer Island.
Oh, hey.
Leslie will be over here and she'll give you a soap making demonstration.